Want to use a different email with Chase Zelle? Here's how to add one. First, log into your Chase account through the mobile app, version 12.5 or later, or online banking. Go to Pay and Transfer, then select Zelle. Next, find Manage Emails and click Add Email. Enter your new email address. Chase will send a verification code to that email or via SMS if linked to a phone. Enter the code to verify. With the latest updates, Chase uses biometric verification on compatible devices, streamlining the process. Remember, verifying your email is crucial for security and allows you to send and receive money. Now that you've added and verified your new email, let's set it as your primary. Your primary email is used for all Zelle transactions and notifications. While the system may automatically set a primary email based on usage, you can manually change it. In the Manage Emails section, select the email you want to use and set it as primary. Only one email can be primary. Also note, Zelle now supports up to 5 verified emails per account. It's important to keep your email information updated and verified to prevent fraud. Chase Zelle uses advanced AI to detect suspicious email patterns and mandates 2-factor authentication for all email changes for added security.